Huh? Who could that be? Hello? Hello?
Wee, dude! This toucan is so much fun! I'm going so crazy fast! Wee!
That's a butt! Damn! You ready for this bath, Ken? Ken!
Okay, guys. Everybody put your guns in the middle. We need to end this.
Oh, yeah, dude. You shot me while I was doing the toucan. I was having fun.
Because you shot me when I opened the door.
Well, maybe you deserved it.
Well, maybe you need a big smack on the butt.
You guys shot Ken!
Well,
Ken is not important, dude. He's a dog.
yeah, and Cody, why aren't your eyes mad?
Yeah.
I'm wearing glasses.
Oh. Well, anyway, we all need to agree to never touch these guns again. They're too dangerous, okay?
Okay, I agree.
Okay.
Hey,
Dude, oh my God. I'm dying.
Who did that?
I'm dying.
He missed me.
Okay. I'm safe behind this couch.
Junior, where are you, Junior? Junior, come out to play. Come on, Junior. Here's Cody. Ow!
I got you.
Where did my ear?
I got you, Cody.
Ow!
Okay, Junior, go ahead and come out. I know you're over there.
Never.
Dude.
Gotcha, Joseph! Gotcha, Joseph! Gotcha, Joseph! Teabag! Teabag!
What? Oh, you're disgusting, dude.
Wait, you guys, you didn't tell me you get teabagged after you get shot? Joseph, you owe me a teabag.
Ha ha! You guys suck!
Como te llamas, Junior? Oh man, nobody can defeat the king of nerf game. You guys suck. This is too easy. What?
Die, Toad!
This is for Ken. Whoa! Did I get him?
Gotcha, Cody. Come on, you stupid pickle jar, open! Junior, what did I tell you about playing with those damn nerf guns?
I had to get the big boy out.
You're not gonna win, Toad! You're not gonna win!
Come on, Junior.
Everyone, truce! Shoot that shit, baby! He's coming!
Okay.
I was about to f your sh.
Oh, wow, I was wide open.
Yeah.
Anyway, shoot that shit, baby! Truce!
Okay.
All right, Junior. I told you to stop playing with those damn nerf guns. Now I'm gonna teach you a lesson. Stop! Please!
like baby. He ran like a baby. Yeah, he's never coming back.
No, he ain't never coming back.
No. All right, guys. I think we should call it truce. Okay, just put the guns down. No more playing. No more play. Okay.
What?
What?